Welcome to the .NET PDF library tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to work with attachments in a PDF document using the Syncfusion .NET PDF library. It also includes adding, removing, and extracting attachments. First, I will open an existing ASP.NET Core application, where I have installed the Syncfusion PDF.NET Core package. To get started with the Syncfusion PDF library, check out the video link on the card above or the description below. Now, let me show you how to add an attachment to a PDF document by clicking this button. Look at this PDF document. It doesn't have any attachments. Now, I am going to add an attachment to it. First, I open the index.cshtml file. I remove the existing code and add an Add Attachment button. To define this action method, I navigate to the Home Controller class and import the necessary namespaces. Next, I define an action method with the return type ActionResult. In this method, I create a file stream to retrieve the PDF file using appropriate file access options. I use this stream to create a PDF loaded document instance. Next, I create another stream to retrieve the file I want to attach to the document with the appropriate file access options. Using this stream, I create a PDF attachment instance. Then, I set the attachment's modification date, description, and MIME type. Next, I will check if the PDF document's attachment collection is null. If it is, I call the createAttachment method to initialize it. Then, I add the attachment to the document using the add method. I define a helper method, createFileResult. In this method, I save the modified PDF to a memory stream, reset the stream's position to beginning, close the document, and return the file for download. Lastly, I invoke the createFileResult method, passing the document and file name. I save and run the application. When I click the Add Attachment button, the modified PDF is downloaded. As you can see, the attachment is now included in the file. Next, I will show you how to remove an attachment from a PDF. First, I add a Remove Attachment button and define an action method with a return type, ActionResult. In this method, I create a file stream instance with the appropriate file access options. Then, I load the PDF using a PDF loaded document instance. Next, I check if the attachments collection is not null and has any attachments. If it does, I remove the first attachment using the removeAt method. Finally, I return the modified document using the createFileResult method. Now, when I click this button, the PDF file is downloaded. See, the attachment has been removed. Let me show you how to extract an attachment from this PDF document. First, I add an Extract Attachment button and define an action method with the return type, ActionResult. In this method, I create a file stream with the appropriate file access options to open the PDF file. Then, I use this stream to create a PDF loaded document instance. Next, I create a file content result instance and check whether the PDF document contains any attachments. If it does, I retrieve the first attachment and return it using the file method, which downloads it with its original file name and MIME type. Then, I close the document. Lastly, if the file content result is not null, I return the file. Otherwise, a not found message is returned indicating that the PDF contains no attachments. When I click the Extract Attachment button, the attachment file is downloaded. Looking here, the attachment is extracted from the PDF. That's a wrap. In this video, I showed you how to work with attachments in a PDF document using the Syncfusion .NET PDF library. You can download this video working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link where you can learn about obtaining a free license key to use our file format libraries if you are eligible for our community license. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.